guy. Get it. Yeah, come on. We're not going to hurt you. Get it. It's delicious. All right, I'll take care of it. Even these ones are still alive. I thought they would have got cooked.
Don't they?
Their favorite is tomatoes. Moving. Huh. They're like, oh, they took away our tomatoes. Shut up! You guys, no. Oh, look how pretty that one is. Get in there. All right, you gonna just hold it through the screen? Or, okay, there you go. Oh my God. All right, you ready for the other thing?
Yep. Oh man, she still got it.
She don't know where to go with it. Here, guys, look. Hot. It's hard to freaking build anything.